In episode 6, Yinguo and Yang go into the laundry room. Yang mentions that Jiang Yang mentioned meeting Yinguo before. Yinguo explains that she met him when he competed in China with her brother. Yang asks about her brother, and Yinguo reveals that he has recently opened a new club. However, their conversation is interrupted by the arrival of another person who sits down nearby. Yang asks her why she is quiet. Yinguo says he is quiet too. Yang explains he was listening. Yinguo suggests going upstairs since the laundry will take an hour. Yang points out that everyone else is upstairs, so it's not suitable. He then tells her, "I have something to ask you." Yinguo responds, "Go ahead." Yang texts her to inquire about her relationship status and expresses his interest in pursuing her. Yinguo is taken aback by Yang's messages and chooses not to respond. Yang notices her lack of response and decides to leave, mentioning that the signals are poor. As he exits, Yinguo is left pondering whether it was all a joke. She reassures herself, why would he joke about something like that? It's so uncomfortable. He posed a question to me in person. Yang's friend Chen arrives with a jacket for him. Yang says, "It's been 10 years. Don't you have anything to say to me?" Chen asks, "Why haven't you contacted me?" Yang replies, "Our paths changed, and I wasn't sure what to talk to you about anyway." Chen hugs Yang upon hearing this. Chen wonders if Meng Xiaodong will prevent them from dating. Yang responds, "They haven't started dating yet." Chen says that Yinguo seems to like him too. Yang brings Chen inside. Yinguo comes back from doing the laundry and sees that all the students are leaving. As she enters the house, she finds Yang waiting for her. Spotting Yang, she asks, "Remember, I said I would take you out for a meal. Are you free tomorrow?" Not receiving a reply, she continues, "No worries. We can go next week," and quickly heads to her room. In the room, Yinguo thinks to herself, "It was only dinner. Why did I panic so much?" Just then, Yang knocks on the door. Yang advises, "You don't have to open the door." He then inquires, "Can we go out tomorrow at 10 o'clock?" Yinguo agrees, and they both appear excited about their plans for tomorrow. Wu Wei shows up and mentions that it looks like the two are dating. Yang tells him to stop, but Wu Wei persists, saying he should not have used Chen to send the jacket because he hasn't given him any information about them. Yang warns that if he keeps talking, he will be sleeping on the couch. Wu Wei falls silent upon hearing this, and Yinguo comes out from her room. Wu Wei inquires where she is headed at such a late hour, to which Yinguo responds that she has something to do before departing. Yinguo phones Zheng Yi and asks, "What should you do if someone admits their feelings to you?" Zheng Yi advises her to be honest. If she likes the person, she should express her feelings, and if not, she should politely decline. Curious, Zheng Yi asks Yinguo about her conversation with Yang. However, Yinguo uses bad signal as an excuse and ends the call. Yinguo seems even more puzzled now. Yang also comes out of the apartment. Later, Yinguo goes to a nearby store, and Yang follows outside. Yinguo is occupied inside the shop, while Yang watches her through the window. When Yinguo comes back home, Yang is already there. This sight makes Yinguo feel uncomfortable. She asks Yang, "Are you still awake?" Yang responds, "I'm reading something." Yinguo tells him that they will meet tomorrow. Yinguo asks him, "Do you want to give this a try?" Yang observes as Yinguo quickly puts some candies in a glass and sets it on the table before going to her room. Seeing her leave, Yang begins to smile. Yang stays awake, staring at the candy on the table. When Wu Wei wakes up, he catches Yang eating candy and warns about cavities. Yang tells him to go back to sleep. In the morning, Yang prepares breakfast and invites Yinguo to join. Yinguo admires Yang's cooking skills. They later have pasta at a restaurant, and Yinguo thinks that he is so quiet, it feels like I'm pursuing him. Yang states, "After this, I will go to the station." Yinguo inquires, "You returning tonight?" Yang confirms, "Yes, I have a meeting with my professor tonight." Yinguo informs him that they have found a new coach, who is also from Dongxin City. His name is Shu. Upon hearing this, Yang asks, "Did you discuss about me?" Yinguo responds, "We didn't talk much. I'm just curious why you didn't join another club after leaving Dongxin City. You excel at the game." Yang mentions, "Back then, I was eager to study." Later, as they exit the restaurant, a couple requests, "Could you snap a photo of us?" Yang obliges, and the couple offers, "We can take your photo as well, if you'd like." Yang agrees to it, and the woman takes a photo of them. Yinguo looks at the photo. Yang promises, "I'll send it to you later." Yang informs Yinguo, "I'll catch this tram to the station." He bids her farewell and heads towards the stand. While Yinguo waits for her tram, she hopes, "I hope I don't miss my stop this time." Just as she boards the tram, Yang also arrives and informs her, there are 2 empty seats at the front. Yinguo takes a seat and asks him, "You were late, weren't you?" Yang replies, "I was worried you might board the wrong tram." She advises him to get off at the next stop, or else he'll miss his train. An announcement is made. Once the announcement ends, Yang says, "Inform me when you arrive." Saying this, Yang begins to leave. But Yinguo halts him and states, "You also message me upon your arrival." Yang feels good upon hearing this and replies, "Yes, I will inform you." Saying this, Yang quickly gets off the tram. Upon reaching home, she receives a message from Yang stating, "I have arrived." Upon seeing this message, Yinguo becomes extremely joyful and exclaims, "Yang always keeps his word." Yinguo responds, "I'm home now," and adds, "I read your message last night," and replies that I don't have a boyfriend. Yang acknowledges, "I know." Yinguo wonders, "How did you find out? Did you ask my brother?" Yang explains, "If you had a boyfriend, you wouldn't have gone out with me today." Upon reading this, Yinguo laughs. Meanwhile, Wu Wei returns as well. Spotting Yinguo, Wu Wei asks, "Are you coming back or heading out?" Yinguo replies, "I just came back." With that, she heads to her room. Wu Wei notices her and begins to ponder what made her so joyful. Wu Wei then messages Yang inquiring about Yinguo's happiness, but Yang does not respond. The billiard room boss approaches Yang and asks if he plans to leave. Yang expresses a change in his initial plan of staying for a few years.